Explain to us what a bond originator does, and then who pays a bond originator.
Okay, so basically a bond originator is the middleman between the buyer, the estate agent, and the bank. So what happens is Kanye will send me a client. I will then, number one, I'll start off by doing a pre-approval.
Yes.
So pre-approval is a good indication of the client's affordability, the client's credit score, how much they can potentially purchase, right? So that's the first point. Then from there, what would happen is I will then go back to the estate agent. Estate agent will find a property for the client. And once I receive an OTP from the estate agent, I will then submit it to all the banks on behalf of the client. So instead of the client individually going to each bank, we are one stop and we send it to all the banks on behalf of the client. So what happens then is once the client has received feedback from me from all the banks, we will then make it, or the client will